D to the I to the N E O. Dineo.
Hey everyone, my name is Dineo and thank you for tuning in. Today's tutorial is how to braid out on short, medium 4C natural hair. So, if you want to learn how to achieve this, keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Ciao! You'll need a rat tail comb, detangling brush, leave-in conditioner and some water. Section out a small piece of hair and spritz some water on it. I am working on freshly washed hair, hence why I'm using a leave-in conditioner. Take a little of your leave-in conditioner and apply it onto your sectioned hair. Remember to pay extra attention to them ends, girl. When detangling, remember to start from your ends then to your roots. Now begin braiding your hair. For an easier takedown, when I reach my ends, I 2-strand twist, then twirl the ends. Repeat the process of sectioning out a small piece of hair and spritzing some water on it. Apply a little of your leave-in conditioner. Detangle your hair. Start from your ends, then to your roots. Begin to braid your hair. When you reach your ends, 2-strand twist. Then twirl the ends. So, the thinner your braids are, the more definition you'll get, especially if you have short hair like me. But yeah, I was lazy, so... Before your takedown, apply some olive oil on your hair to give it some extra shine. Okay, so I won't lie, the takedown was quite tricky because the braids were tight, so make sure to undo them with great care to prevent ruining the definition. After undoing my braids, I begin the separation process. Please do not fight your hair when undoing this. Follow the pattern where your hair will naturally separate itself. Now I'm gonna add some volume to my hair and cover all those sections. You know, it just gotta be laid. And there you have it, how to braid out on short, medium 4C natural hair.
If I had time, no, I'd do this hairstyle every day, but anybody got time for that?
Thank you for watching. Did you like what you just saw? Well, go ahead and subscribe to get your weekly dose of tutorials. Lastly, don't forget to like, comment and share. Ciao!